A special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake and Trumbull. Strong thunderstorms will impact northwestern Trumbull, Geauga, eastern Cuyahoga, Lake and Ashtabula counties through 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong outflow boundary ahead of thunderstorms that extended along a line from near Fairport Harbor to near Mesa to Warrensville Heights. Movement was east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down trees and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Ashtabula, Willowick, Conneaut, Churton, Fairport Harbor, Geneva-on-the-Lake, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Solon, Willoughby, Eastlake, Warrensville Heights, Geneva, South Russell, Madison, North Kingsville, and Middlefield. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Stark, and Summit. Strong thunderstorms will impact Portage, Stark, and Summit counties through 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near North Royalton to near Modena to near Creston to near Worcester to near Shreve. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Solon, Alliance, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge, North Kenton, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Louisville, Mogador, Minerva, and Hartsville. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Conneaut, Ohio. Open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Conneaut, Ohio until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong outflow boundary ahead of thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles north of Avon Point to 6 nautical miles north of Lorraine Harbor to near Huron, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Geneva-on-the-Lake, Avon Point, Willowick, Fairport Harbor, Ashtabula, Cleveland, and Conneaut. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore